Hello, good night teacher. I am Gabriela Ramirez and today I am going to talk about Festival and Flowers and Fruits of Ambato. Exit time is warranted at the Ambato Beach group that parades approach. A band that moves from funky tone in the classic traditional surely a musical fusion never further attempted by any assemblage, is following by the unforgettable appearance of the Cherish Cat from Alice in Wonderland dancing reggaeton, accompanied by two characters, a color combination that seemed to be in fashion in everything from gigant teddy bears to the attitude of the Macarena dancer on the float. The sound of Viva Ambato resonates from the crowd every 2 minutes as the speaks in the event's putative anthem, Life is a Carnival by Celia Cruz. The Flowers and Fruit Festival, Fiesta de las Flores y las Frutas, is among the largest traditional street celebrations in Ecuador and its parade is one of the most experienced in our modern history. Strangely enough, the festival is a reckoning of institutional passion, each allegoric flow collectives and association, most escorted by many official uniforms, while serious countenance contrasts with the note and joy that the Grabando. Its roots have only expanded during the following decades, the time and dedication that every know her dedicated to making the event bigger and better, and the last is truly remarkable, admirable and profound. Has grown from a time when the Guayatambito, the party mascot, walked the street selling camp to finance it to its current status as a national treasure. This is a it was a blowout concert with great guests and exhibition on shoulder more than 7,000 rows in the shape of mermaids, bulls, and Bengal tiger no less. Floats complete to overtake their rivals with increasingly impressive dancing on 13 gigant rider mat of thousands of tangering giants. Apple mat from thousands of apple, as well as gigant blackberries made from avocados and strawberries from mangoes, showing of every Jones. Harvard every years will the queens of the parents great